So it took me a little over an hour to get all this shit in. So let me show you guys what it did. All the new ignition coils are in place. That's on the driver's side. And on the passenger side. They're all in place. They all been rechecked, checked again. And that's one thing I want to emphasize. When you do this kind of thing, make sure, you know, when you put the harnesses back on, make sure that they're locked in place, you know. Sometimes you might have a broken one or something. So I checked them all, and I made sure they're all in place there. And there we go. Purring like a kitten. Now I just gotta wait a few minutes, see if it still shakes or anything. Now I gotta redo my radio, cause look at this shit. I gotta redo every fucking thing. Let me see. Yeah, lost my stations. That's not a problem. Only thing I care about is the making sure the engine purrs. And so far so good.